Hey guys, it's Diane Mary. I just got back a day or so ago from my honeymoon. My husband and I went to Aruba. It was amazing. It was beautiful. Went too fast. It was gorgeous 80-degree weather, and then came back to New York where it was 25. And if you hear barking in the background, I apologize. My dog and my neighbor's dog are going at it in like the ultimate barking war, so please ignore them. He's gonna be loud. But yes, we went to Aruba. Great time. Should have vlogged. Didn't think of it. Was having fun. Took tons of pictures. I have a blog post just talking about the trip with all the pictures, what we did and stuff. So if you want to check that out, I'll leave the link below. The purpose of this video is I decided want to tell you guys what products that I packed with me and kind of what I did with my hair while I was there, since you guys seem to like my hair videos, so why not? This is day one wash day hair. I did try out a brand called Trelux. The products are nice. The gel isn't my absolute favorite. Like, I know I've had better hair days, but I've had worse hair days. So yeah, I just recorded that video too. But let's just get to the video. So I haven't flown on a plane in 7 years. So kind of like, how am I gonna fly with all my hair products? Was a little nervous about it, but we were checking a bag anyway, so I like left room for them. So something I have to call out that I actually did not bring with me was my Briogeo's Don't Despair Repair Mask, which is my all-time favorite hair mask because of the protein moisture balance. I just love it so much. Number one, to carry this big thing would have been absurd, but I didn't bring it because we left on a Saturday and I used it that Friday. Then we came back on Thursday. Didn't wash my hair yesterday, which was Friday. Today's Saturday, and I did use it again today, and I tend to use it about once a week, so it wasn't like I missed a wash with it. I always use this religiously. I just love it. My hair definitely needed it after the trip. I used it with heat today also, just to repair it from the sun and everything. So you know what, let's start with that. So actually, I'm trying to think of which way to do this. While I was on the beach, I'll talk about that. Like, the main purpose of going to Aruba was I just wanted to lay near the tropical turquoise waters every day. We did a few excursions, but mostly I needed beach time, especially after the cold winter we had. But when you're on the beach, you know, the sun, the salt water, the wind could really wreak havoc on your hair, so it's important to protect it. So there are two products in my beach bags every day. First one was a Jessicurl Deep Conditioning Treatment in Island Fantasy, which was ironic because I was on an Island Fantasy. But, so, I'm so corny, oh my goodness. This is a great treatment. It is protein free if you are protein sensitive. I liked putting this on while I was in the sun because the sun would kind of bake it into the hair. So rather than the sun being like harmful and damaging your hair, it's intensifying a treatment and really left me with like the softest hair. Like, I can't even believe, like, I've used other masks on the beach before, like in prior summers, but this one especially, wow, like my hair felt like silkier than silk, and it was absolutely incredible. So use this on the beach. And then I also brought the Briogeo. This is Rosarco milk. This is now called Farewell Frizz instead of Rosarco, but it is the same formula. This is a great spray, and what I really like about it is has UV protection. So I was spraying this. I had Tommy use this in his hair too to protect the hair from the UV rays. So if my hair dried and I didn't put more of this in, I was kind of going back and forth. Plus, this also has coconut oil in it. It has rosehip oil. It has argan oil to help strengthen the hair, to help repair the hair, and to really help treat the hair. On top of using this spray at the beach, and it does have a little spray nozzle there, I was using this as my refresher spray because I didn't wash my hair every day I was there, which isn't really like me. Usually, like when I go to the shore over the summer, like the second I walk in my door, my hair has to be washed. It's just like I'm in the beach, I'm in the water. But you know, I was in Aruba, I was relaxing, I was a little lazy, and there were days where I was on the beach and I was like, you know, the beach kind of made my hair look really nice. So I kind of took this again at night and like sprayed it, scrunched it a little, and went on my way. And I think we were there from Saturday to Thursday. So I styled my hair the day before, and then I did my whole wash routine and restyled it only once the whole time I was there, and that was after we went into the pool. Because, you know, to deal with the ocean water in my hair, alright, fine, I did this, I could do it. But chlorine is a different beast. It is a different beast completely. Like with the chemicals and stuff, I wasn't letting that sit in my hair at all. So this was also used as a refresher spray. It makes a great refresher spray, and I used up a whole 5-ouncer in 5 days. That's how much of it I was using and loving. Something I didn't pack, which I didn't think I needed, and that was a mistake. I was like, you know what? I don't need to pack a cleanser. I don't need to pack a shampoo. I'll just co-wash with the conditioner I bought. I'll be fine. You know, it's only a few days. But what I didn't think that really was with the sand and the water and the product upon product upon product to help my hair not turn into Monica Geller from the Barbados episode of Friends. I had so much product in it. I should have brought a shampoo to cleanse it. But the hotel we stayed at actually had shampoo and conditioner, and they had, the brand was called Aruba Aloe, or Aloe Aruba, because there's like the aloe plant is really big there. And of course I went, there was a store in the hotel, I looked at the bottles of the same stuff in our room. It was a nourishing shampoo and conditioner that was sulfate, paraben, and silicone free. So you know what? I used that and it worked really, really well. It cleansed my hair. It left my hair so soft. It smelled good. So it turns out I was alright, even though I didn't pack it and I should have. So use that. Again, I shampooed twice. I did the whole styling routine once. And then the night before we were flying home, I just shampooed and conditioned. Put a little of the Briogeo Rosarco oil, which I'll get to in a minute. Let it air dry. I didn't even bother scrunching it. Threw it up in a messy bun for the plane and called it a day. So that was that. So what else did I bring? I did bring a dry shampoo. And this is a dry shampoo by Wander Beauty, which I am practically out of. And I'm waiting for the big size to come out because I need more. This is the extra mileage hair refresher. I brought this because it's not an aerosol and I don't think you can fly with aerosols. Plus it works and smells really, really well. And it's great. It's a spray that's not aerosol. I sprayed it on my scalp. I sprayed it on my lens if I went too product heavy, if I needed to refresh. That worked well. Then I guess I'll talk about the Rosarco oil, which is now Farewell Frizz oil as well. It's the same franchise as the milk from Briogeo, and this was the oil that I would use to seal my hair when I did wash it, if I needed to add shine, if I needed to help with the frizz because it was very humid there. So that was my oil blend of choice. I brought the Briogeo Curl Charisma Chia and Flaxseed Coil Custard. This is like one of my all-time favorite, like day 2, day 3 hair product, like refreshing products. Though it's not really refreshing, it's just like adding more product. This is such a thick cream. If your hair is fine and it gets way down easily, I don't think you'd like this, but for my hair it's great. For humidity, it is like the best thing ever, because this product came out in September of last year, so I didn't really get a full chance to try it in humidity yet, but this helped tame the poof. If your hair in humidity like mine just gets bigger and bigger and bigger and you want it to deflate, oh my goodness, did this work so well on dry hair. The other product I brought that I use on dry hair, I put this in a smaller bottle. I did not carry this. The Jessicurl Spiralicious Styling Gel. I had a little 3-ounce travel thing, so I did put some of it in there. But this is a great gel because it's a firm hold. I like this on dry hair and I like this on wet hair. Definitely needed it with me, and I wound up using up the whole 3 ounces that I brought. This is, I believe this is glycerin free. Yeah, this is glycerin free too, but it's another favorite styler of mine. Had to take that along. So I brought Devacurl Arc Angel, which is one of my favorite gels. You know, I strayed away from it for a while. Long story, won't get into it, but I'm back on it. Loving it again. Love it for wet hair. I did use it the one time that I rewashed and styled my hair. I use it because it's just such a firm hold gel that gives me really great hair. It smells amazing too. Also by Devacurl, which again, I put this in a travel thing. Wasn't going to carry these big bottles with me. Devacurl B'Leave In, because when I do wet and wash my hair and style it, I do a leave-in, a filler, a gel, and an oil, and this is my favorite filler. It has protein. It like plumps up the curls. It makes them curlier. It does something. Like, I can't even explain it, but adding this to my wash day when I use it versus when I don't, or I also use, there's a Harmon's dupe of this called Curl Volumizer. Either one, when I use them, it does something magical. So I needed a little bit for my wash day. For Jessicurl's Touche Extra Moisturizing Conditioner, I use this as my leave-in because I knew that when I washed my hair and I needed a leave-in, I needed something rich and heavy, and again, to fight the poof, because I'm all about fighting the poof. A lot of people like when the hair has a lot of volume. I'm not one of them. I like it a little like this, or even a little less volume. Does a great job. Really softens the hair, nice and moisturizing, and this is the other scent by them. This is the Citrus Lavender scent, and you could also get Jessicurl in unscented, which is great, but such great products. And the last product that I brought that I wound up not needing, but I wanted to have it just in case. This is by Devacurl. This is the old label. This is called Beautiful Mess now. This one says set up and above. It was the old name. This is just a pomade. You know, if my hair got too frizzy, if my ends got too like frayed and stuff, I was gonna plan on use that. wound up not even needing it. I just really surprised myself with how little I washed my hair, because when we go to Wildwood every summer for a few days, and every day I'm at the beach, I'm washing it and restyling it. Is it exhausting? Yes, but I just feel cleaner. But there I was just like, relax, whatever, and I just added more and more product. Luckily the products didn't like build up or cause flakes or anything, but I mean, they even look, my hair, I hate saying like, oh, I think my hair looked good, but I did think my hair looked good in the pictures that I posted and stuff for the most part. And there were days where it was windy, like we were on boats and my hair, I was like letting it blow in the wind. It was like, wee, like, oh my goodness. So it definitely took a little beating while we were away for sure, but it's soft, looks okay now. And yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling because this is over 10 minutes. If you want to see the pictures from Aruba again, check out the blog post for more information. Did you guys like this? Did you guys like hearing about what products I packed and why? Let me know in the comments below. If you do like me, thumbs up, commenting, liking, subscribing would be amazing and really help me out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!